Hi superstars! Welcome Fearless Squad! In this recorded video, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement 32 divided by 32 over 8 then times 8. First we do this multiplication 32 over 8 times 8. We can easily cancel this 8 and this 8. So here we have this 32 only, and 32 divided by 32 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first, 32 divided by 32 over 8. To do this division, write down the 32, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 8 over 32. And here again we have times 8. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 32 and this 32, which gives 8. And here again we have times 8. So here we have this 8 times 8, which equals 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to join the journey.